My name is Jinisha. I am studying in UKG. My name is Dhruva. I am standing here UKG.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka. Coimbatore, Dr. Bendre, Sivaram Karnal, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, B.K. Gokul, U.R. Anantamurthy, Gireesh Karnal, Chandrasekhar Kamrar.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu. Kathakali, Kerala. Kathak, Uttar Pradesh. Manipuri, Manipur. Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh. Odissi, Odisha. Satraya, Assam. Matti dance, Madhya Pradesh. Daniya, Gujarat. Yakshagana, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Kalaburgi, Mahanadi, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals. Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Dasavatar of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara Lord Vishnu, Matsya, Purna, Bhairava, Narasimha, Brahmana, Kasurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kaliki.
Mukhya Upanishad.
Mukhya Upanishad, Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Pandukya Upanishad, Brahmanaka Upanishad.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Five oceans of the world.
Five oceans of the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujarat Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, India, New Delhi. Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, B.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Indira Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Seven colors in rainbow.
Seven colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Fascism.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Tamil, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
District in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bedas, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikmagalur, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Devanagari, Dharwad, Dabbar, Hassan, Haveri, Krishna, Kalaburgi, Kodugu, Kola, Gopala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramanagara, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttar Kannada, Vijaypura, Hegiri.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar month: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwina, Kartika, Margashira, Pusha, Magha, Phalguna.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: APJ Abdul Kalam, Satyendranath Bose, Meghnad Saha, Ratan Chandra Ray, Salim Ali, Homi J. Baba, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, Subramanya Chandrasekhar.
Country and capital.
Country and capital: Afghanistan, India, New Delhi, Russia, Moscow, China, Beijing, Pakistan, Islamabad, Afghanistan, Kabul, Nepal, Kathmandu, Bhutan, Thimphu, Sri Lanka, Colombo, USA, Washington, United Kingdom, London, Canada, Ottawa, France, Paris, Italy, Rome, Germany, Berlin, Indonesia, Jakarta, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Japan, Tokyo, Kenya, Nairobi, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Oman, Muscat, Thailand, Bangkok, Qatar, Doha.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulikeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayasvarma, Amoghavarsha, Madhakari Nayaka, Kitturani Chandamma, Akka Bukka, Jai Chamaraja Odeya, Kempe Gowda.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: right to equality, right to freedom, right to against exploitation, right to constitutional right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, rights to freedom of religion, constitutional